look at the subject. You know what it is, and you are perfectly able to evoke its name. But sometimes, people cannot express their thoughts or find the word they need. One of the possible causes of such a disability are brain tumors, and usually these tumors require surgical interventions. So imagine, you may have something harmful inside the organ which basically makes who you are, and this something needs to be removed with the greatest delicacy possible. But how? Currently, in order to preserve the language from possible post-surgical impairment, the patients are awakened during the surgery. Then, they are instructed to name the objects when the surgeon applies a minimal electrical current to their cortex. If this stimulation interrupts the function controlled, the surgeon does whatever possible to preserve the stimulated area. However, communication is not all about naming the objects, right? And the brain is not all about the cortex. The thin layer of gray matter hides underneath the universe of white matter connections. And speech may be divided into different processes such as phonological, or on how we process the speech sounds, and semantic, about the meaning of words. Curiously, each of these processes rely on a different network of the brain. Pathways of white matter running dorsally to the sylvian fissure were seen to be related to the phonological processing, and the bundles of fibers running ventrally to this fissure are associated with the semantics. Brain tumors may grow within each of these crucial networks for speech. This is why, in my laboratory, we are particularly interested in how to monitor the phonological and semantic aspects of language during the awake brain surgeries. To do so, we developed a set of tasks that are sensitive to errors of phonological or semantic nature, and we use them each time when the surgical intervention approaches the dorsal or ventral part of the language network. In this way, we explore how to monitor more subtle language processes, also at the level of white matter. So this is what my PhD project is about. In one hand, we try to understand how the brain processes language. In the other, we try to do our best for neurosurgical patients.